yourself ready for your online class, you see me? Time I can't even too bad I am, man. Put on my phone.
Morning, students. Good morning, Mr. White.
Morning, sir.
How you doing this morning?
I'm okay, sir.
Okay, good. So, did you do the work? Did you do the work yesterday? The assignment that I gave yesterday?
No, sir, I didn't do the work. I don't know what you're talking about.
Why you didn't do it?
Because I didn't want to do it and I didn't know about it. So just because I didn't know about it, I just didn't want to do it. Although I didn't know about it, but I didn't want to do it because I didn't know about it. But I didn't know about it, but I didn't want to do it.
You mean because you don't feel like? You think I give you homework because if you feel like to do it, or if you don't feel like to do it, you should do it.
Sir, I do homework and I feel like I do homework, is it? That I tell you.
You're talking to like that. Remove it from my class because you're not. You don't want to be a part of this school.
Saying remove me then, no. Just come in a class and you see me and try to make peace and you come talk about you're going to remove me from class. Remove it from class if you think about it.
You don't want to be a part of the school, so you hear what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove you from the class and I don't want to see you back in my class again. I'm going to report you and you're going to leave the school because I can't accept this behavior. Not accepted at this school. No. I feel like I'm brighter than nobody else. You think me a size, man?
Just remove me from the class, man. Because I never want there in the first place. Come there try to make peace in the online class and this man come like he want to go. No fuck himself for me like he want to go for me. Yeah, take me further, man. Oh yeah, I'm going to remove you from the class. And if I remove you from the class, I'm going to report you to the school and you deserve to be a happy person to have. You don't deserve to be at this school. Me care, man. Come on to school out there, I can't go fire now, man. See what like I say. True. On the school, I look at one school and I can't come, no fuck, man. That's because I do one little homework, I'm not even to know about what I didn't know about it, but I never want to do it, but that's why I never do it. Chop. But I will know sometime, yeah, man. Can I only you? The things that online teacher them go through. Can I only you? Can help them. John was star, online class at our way, I'm not lie. I'm so sorry if the lighting is kinda dark, but I promise it will get better. Minister of Education, Youth and Information has select, I'm not tell them school name, I just put school, has selected school to be a part of the second phase of schools to resume face-to-face classes. You see me I say face-to-face mean like there and you there, so like with our school. You see me I say no date has been set for resumption of such classes. However, when a final decision has been made, parents and students will be given adequate time for preparation. In the first place, tell you the truth, never expect class to open in January because the cases are rising. I don't even know how much case Jamaica have. Hey Siri, how many cases does Jamaica have of COVID-19?
As of May 11th, there are 502 confirmed COVID-19 cases in Jamaica, according to WHO and other sources.
Joe, we need the light, man.
Come on, please to fix back a curtain, sir.
We need the light.
Please to fix back a curtain.
I know star. Oh, yeah. People predict the next 5 years from now, well, Jamaica have to wear masks and things. Me no want nobody text me. Me no want me do video chop. So if I never subscribe to King Kamau TV yet, subscribe now. Can put the card up here so. And if I never subscribe to King Kamau Gaming, another channel, me have 3 channels now. King Kamau TV, King Kamau, and King Kamau Gaming. I say 3 of them. So if you're a gamer, you can go there and check it out. No videos are on there as yet. I deleted my intro part, but I can't stay for now, isn't it? And thing, and postpone it
gone a 1 month, go from 1 month, gone 2 weeks to 1 month, and then from 1 month to 2 months, then from 2 months to 6 months, and right now about 8 months now, you see me, and it come like I say, a 1 year. I don't know what school feel like, you know, I miss school, like, I miss school. You're 19 now, very good, if you tell you the truth. For me, it's good enough, but I don't like it. It's like, they're on the computer and thing, isn't it? Just step on the computer and you just do more thing, yes, but if you're on it every day, I feel like, if you all day, like, you go to get Saturday and Sunday, and you just get one bag of assignment right now, me and bossy about, yeah, yo. Every day, right now, my head hurt me. Like, it's like my head start up me and my eye them. Time to play on the computer every day and healthy for me. But, boy, if I that have to go on, I have to go on. So I know, but all the teachers, I kind of feel it for them because it's like, teachers are giving students assignment to do it and them are try them. I can't say some of them are trying, but sometimes, little complications can come from there now and then. But like it kinda good for them for a while, and after a while them give students homework, give them 2 weeks, 1 week. When you get I go admit the fact say yo, me get assignment from like me get it from like last week, from 2 weeks ago, and me just do it like from the day before and me done it. But me done it still, you know, me no give teaching a problem, just me done it. It's like the thing of ideas. Run right now. I'm gonna go put stress on myself to run 3 channels, but that not supposed to be a problem, is it? Because YouTube is what I love, isn't it? Anytime I get that little time to do a little video, take up my laptop and I scroll through YouTube and I say, alright then, to them I do a reaction video. It's like I always have ideas, like I ever have ideas. Understand? So, never out. Never. So it's like there's so many things that I want to do, but I can't get to it because school take up 80% a week, call 90. So it's like I don't really get the time for do nothing. And look at time I get for do videos. I do a video and I not rest and I not comment. But me nah, I not comment. Tell me anything about the video. Just tell me something. This is me, just comment something. That's it. Bad dog. Just comment something. But make sure it's appropriate though, because some things are necessary. You see me? Just comment something and put a heart beside that and give a thumbs up on it. You see me? Because I miss them things that just one person. My son still know, my sister I know I like up video them and thing, but no comment. So when you comment, no let me know what exactly what to do. Alright, you get me I say? So it's like rough. You see it, so just comment. You see it, but students who don't do no work, listen to teacher, do the work. Don't wait till the last day like me, because I know everybody's so fast as me I say, so just go and hold it. Just go and hold it. Corona, there for a reason. You see, it bring a lot of families together and things, you know, so you just have to go and work with God up in store, and at the same time pray before you go to bed and make sure say God no come and you go to hell, you see me? So just go and pray, go and hold it, go and hold the faith, do up yourself, and stay tuned for another video. Stay tuned, you see me I say, and stay tuned, do up yourself. Thank you for your support. We just like 700 subscribers. Let me assess. We just like 700 subscribers on this channel. So I want to help me get to 100 subscribers on the King Kamau TV and 50 subscribers on King Kamau Gaming. I will be posting a lot of gaming. You see me? Now and then I get the chance, like, you know, just go and build up everything and stabilize everything and give me the right context and do everything. Do good. Now me never would is just check your man. Like or not like up a video them and enjoy video them. My sister no did it for me all the way. And thing. So look up on yourself. Stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully next week or probably tomorrow. You know? Go subscriber. Look up on yourself for that. Road to 1K subscribers. See me? Like a video them. Comment. If you comment already, comment again and again and again and again. Full up the comment section. Flood the comment section. On Twitter at KingCam_official. Send me. All of my socials them KingCam_official. You see me? Yeah. They're up on the screen or somewhere. Still. Alright. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to become a part of the KK Kingdom squad, you see me? So, big up on myself and I'm out. Squad.